What's going on, guys? This is Wade 129 Touge, and today is a very special day. It's early morning. We're getting ready to drop the car off for a very, very exciting touch. I'm so excited to see once it gets done. So hopefully it won't take too long to get done. Probably just a week of work and we should have it back. But we're in the trailer. There's the car right there. As you can see, it is just bare. There is no graphics on it at all. Still have my Jzilla sticker and stuff like that on it, but other than that, the number plate and everything off is just completely gone. So it's bare, it's naked, so we'll see what happens here in just a few days. Well, BRZ is loaded up, it's in the trailer and ready to go. So now all we gotta do is just go up there and drop it off. What's going on, guys? It's Wade here with 129 Touge, and today is the day. The car is at the house. I was trying to sneak around yesterday and pick up the car, but unfortunately it wasn't done. I had to work today, so my eyes are bloodshot. I'm super exhausted, but I'm still very excited to go and see the car. It didn't take as long as I thought it would. It ideally got done pretty fast, and I've seen just like one little teaser of the car. I've not seen it in person, and the teaser I got, I'm super excited. So I cannot wait to show you the full reveal. Big shout out to AWS and AZ Rag for getting this done. AWS designed the livery. He's walked me through the steps to make sure that everything with this livery goes smooth, and AZ Rag and Knoxville is the installer. So I'm super excited to see this. It's been a long time in the making to get a livery on any car that I own, especially this one. I've had this BRZ for a really long time, and a lot of people know this car, and it's something special to a lot of other people other than me, because it introduced them to the Touge on the mountain, their first ride at track, and gave them inspiration to get their car. So super excited to see this car, and we're about to see it here in just a few seconds. This is awesome. Yeah, I'm ready. I see it. The garage is opening. Oh, oh my goodness, that's fantastic. Oh. So what's going on, guys? It's your boy Banshee here today, and I am in a Subaru BRZ, which I've just recently purchased. This is the exact car what this one is. This is so cool. I've never had my actual car in the game before. It just... What's going on, guys? It's your boy Banshee here, and I'm doing an update video for the Murder BRZ project series. Oh, I can't believe it. This is fantastic. Oh, it looks so good.
It really does.
They did a really good job with it. That's incredible. Oh, what a beautiful car. That is. That's a little bit too much sun. It came out absolutely amazing. I freaking love it. It is fantastic. It is everything that I wanted, and it looks exactly how the designer had it. It is just fantastic. I can't believe the car is wrapped. This blows my mind that this is actually mine. And this is so cool. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. None of this would have been possible without you and the previous support that I've had. This is amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's been, like I said, a long time in the making, and I'm so excited that we could bring this to you guys. And I cannot wait to see the future of this car like this. This is just, oh, this is so cool. I love it. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And as always, keep hitting the pass. We'll see you next time.